ZyXEL. As we've gotten comfortable using our computers for business as well as leisure, we've not only accumulated more and more files, but learned the value and convenience of sharing information with business associates, friends, and family. And just as we've built networks in our offices to communicate easier, we've begun to network our homes so we can share access to the internet and download lots of music, photos, and even movies. But these multimedia files can be enormous, consuming valuable space on our hard drives and taking forever to transfer. Plus, if our computer's hard drive crashes, all those files are gone forever. But now you can store all your movies, photos, music, and documents on one little box and share everything throughout your entire home. ZyXEL's NSA-220 Plus is a network-attached storage server designed specifically to easily attach to your network. Everyone on the network can access it, move or copy their files to it, and then share everything. It's like one big central library. All you need to do is add 1 or 2 hard drives in the available bays. If you add 2 drives, you can get up to 3 terabytes of storage. Plus, you can provide redundancy to protect your data, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Just use the mounting screws that come with your drives to affix them to the shuttles. Then just slide the shuttle into the housing, turn the NSA-220 Plus on, and then use the software that came with your drive to format it. One of the great things about network-attached storage is that it allows you to centralize data on a device other than your main computer. This leaves your computer available to concentrate on processing. And NAS boxes only do one thing, store stuff, so they require very little processing power to run them. They're often called appliances, since they're as simple to use as a kitchen toaster or dishwasher. To connect your NSA-220 Plus to your network, simply plug in the power. Then plug one end of the provided Ethernet cable into the unit and the other end into your router. This will enable the 220 Plus to connect both to your network and the internet for downloading files without your computer even having to be on. And you'll be able to remotely access all the data on it from any place internet access is available. You manage your NSA-220 Plus through your web browser. Set yourself as administrator, and you can easily enable access to the unit for all users, giving them full or limited access to the folders containing files. The NSA-220 Plus comes with folders already set up to hold your photos, videos, music, and other stuff. You can set access permissions as you wish, and with great detail. Next, you map the shares to Windows using Windows Explorer. Once this is done, you can copy or move files from your computer's hard drive to the NSA-220 Plus. Depending on how you've set the user accounts, everyone on the network can add their files to the NSA, so everyone in your home can enjoy them. If you're familiar with the Digital Living Network Alliance, or DLNA, you know that products from companies like Sony, Comcast, HP, Toshiba, Motorola, LG, ZyXEL, and many others can work together seamlessly. ZyXEL's DLNA-certified NSA-220 Plus easily connects to other DLNA-certified digital home devices. Just plug both the NSA-220 Plus and a DLNA-compliant digital media feeder on the home network, and you're ready to enjoy all the photos and videos stored in the server on your TV or DLNA mobile phone. The NSA-220 Plus media storage server truly brings the digital home living into reality. The NSA-220 Plus is also the perfect place to back up all the valuable files on each of your computers. What makes it such a great vault for all your files is the fact that it features RAID capability. RAID, which stands for Redundant Array of Inexpensive Disks, takes advantage of the unit's 2 drives to achieve greater performance and reliability. By using RAID Level 1, The NSA-220 Plus mirrors the information from the first disk onto the second disk. So, if for some reason your disk crashes, rather than being lost for all eternity, your data is still available on disk number 2. And for added convenience, the NSA-220 Plus lets you quickly copy data from a thumb drive, camera, or external hard drive with just the push of a button. Plug your external source into one of the 2 available USB ports. Making life a bit simpler for those who download large files, the NSA-220 Plus makes downloading BitTorrent files a snap. Simply click on the Download Service button. Click Add, paste the URL of the BitTorrent you want to download, click Apply, and in a few moments your download will begin. You don't even have to have your computer on to download. And you can prioritize your downloads so the most important ones get the greatest bandwidth and download first. You may also use broadcatching to have the NSA download frequently updated digital content such as TV programs, radio broadcasts, podcasts, and blogs. You can even have your NSA-220 Plus automatically upload your photos and videos to Flickr and YouTube so your friends and family worldwide can enjoy them. If you don't already have one, set up an account with both or either of these sites. Then, on the NSA, simply click Applications, Auto Upload, Flickr, or YouTube. You can then configure the NSA to automatically upload your media to these sites, and even set categories, privacy settings, and restriction levels to limit or extend access. Want to access some of your files when you're not home? The NSA makes it easy. You can set it up to function as an FTP server, so you can access everything that's on your NSA from anywhere there's an internet connection. Now, while it's all gleaming technology on the outside, the NSA is green on the inside. You can tell it when to power down, which saves you energy and money. You can tell it when to shut down if it's plugged into an uninterruptible power supply and a power failure occurs. And you can even program it to turn on and off according to your personal schedule. So that's the NSA-220 Plus from ZyXEL, the easy way to store, protect, and share your music, videos, and more. Need more storage for your business? Check out ZyXEL's award-winning NSA-2401, delivering up to 6 terabytes of RAID-protected storage.